The Nuwave Double Induction Cooktop is an advanced cooking solution designed to deliver power and precision. Before we dive in, make sure to check the price in the description below. This versatile cooktop features 94 temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for cooking flexibility from simmering delicate sauces to grilling steaks with perfect grill marks. With independent controls for each side, you can cook multiple dishes simultaneously at different temperatures, making it ideal for busy kitchens. Its 6 convenient pre-programmed settings help you adjust the temperature with ease, while the durable, shatter-proof ceramic glass surface ensures long-lasting use. Whether you're cooking for yourself or entertaining guests, the Nuwave Double Induction Cooktop provides the power and precision you need to create amazing meals. With a sleek, modern design, it's portable and easy to use, whether at home or on the go. This cooktop is a true innovation in cooking technology, offering a level of precision previously unavailable in the induction cooking category. The intuitive push-button controls allow you to make adjustments on the fly without the need to start over, offering unmatched convenience in your kitchen. The cooktop's large 8-inch coils offer even heating, ensuring your meals cook consistently every time. Whether you're boiling pasta, grilling a steak, or keeping soups warm, the Nuwave Double Induction Cooktop gives you complete control. With a 25-pound weight capacity per side, it's strong enough to handle larger pots and pans with ease. This product is engineered to meet the highest standards of performance, giving you reliable results with every use. If you're looking for versatility, portability, and precision in one device, the Nuwave Double Induction Cooktop is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Don't miss out on this incredible kitchen innovation that combines the latest in induction technology with user-friendly features.